Okay, there's a bird in the house. I'm gonna try to open this window, but it's freaking out. Is it gonna attack me? Oh God. Ah! Look! Oh Jesus, why won't this open? Oh God. Go! 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 Go out! You're almost there. Go out the window. Go out. Stop scooting over. Jesus! Go! This way. Go! Shoo! Oh, Jesus. Go! Go! Shoo! Shoo! Stop moving over. Go. The other way. Other way. Ah! Go. Go out. Go. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Shit all over the couch. Come on, bird. Get up. Fly out. What do? Oh, my God. Fly away. Go. Go. Ah! Oops. Get out. Go. 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 Get up. Go. Go. Ah! Bird. Put a bird on it. Oh, Jesus. Put a bird on it. I don't know how to get this bird out of here. Man. What do you do? Come on. Try again. Come on. You're almost, look. The windowsill's right there. Just come on. Come on. Go. Go. Fly. Fly away. Fly away. Fly away. Yeah. You got it. Go. Go. Fly away. Go. Ah! Go. Oh, God. It's tangled in the cords. Oh, God. I got crap all over my hand now. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. I need to lift it up with something. It can't get out of there. Okay, bird, look. It's not hard. Go! Oh, God! Oh, thank the Lord! Oh, Jesus.